Welcome to Golden Blend Catering. We do a lot of Jamaican food like barbecue chicken with Spanish rice. Delicious, huh? Look at this. We have steamed vegetable and raw vegetable. This is barbie fried chicken. Curry goat mixed with white rice, guys. Macaroni pasta is delicious. We do chicken soup, fish soup, goat soup. You name it, we got you. Fried plantain, both green and ripe. It's up to you. When you're doing your order, we got you. Give us your list. Let us know what you need, and we will take care of it. We do curry chicken, rice and peas, brown stew fish, oxtail, curry goat. Some of your favorite. If you're a Jamaican or not a Jamaican, check this out. We do festival, escovitch fish. You name it, we got you. If you did not hear your favorite Jamaican food, please contact us. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Golden Blend LLC. Call us at 862-400-9089. We do catering for baby shower, parties, anniversaries, Christmas dinner, family get-together. You name it, and we got you. Also, you could go to mygoldenblend.com and check out this delicious sauce, jerk sauce, barbecue, and hot pepper sauce. We're still not done yet. You see all these delicious food, but there is something missing. And guess what it is? It is coming right up. Because after you eat this delicious food, the taste bud is coming for something else. And that your meal is not complete without having some dessert. So check this out, because we have the most delicious sweet potato pudding and fruit cake. So here we go. I present the sweet potato pudding to you. Delicious fruit cake. Thank you guys so much.